Vivo launched the Vivo V15 and V15 Pro in the beginning of this year. The company is now gearing up to bring the successor of Vivo V15 series. It is the Vivo V17 series, as rumored and leaks have already revealed. Vivo V17 Pro is expected to launch around the month of September. The launch date of V17 Pro is yet to be revealed by the company. Besides confirming the device, first live photo of the Vivo V17 Pro has been leaked online. The photo shows the Vivo V17 Pro in two colors, both shades of blue. The photo also confirms the rear camera setup and the design of the Vivo V17 Pro. The image also shows the quad camera setup will be stacked vertically. They also sit in the center of the frame like the one we have seen on OnePlus 7 Pro triple camera rear setup. There's an LED flash placed within quad camera setup. While camera specs remain unknown, it seems main camera will be 48 megapixel shooter. For now, there is no details on the front of the device. Whether like the V15 Pro, the V17 Pro will also come with a pop-up selfie camera or go for an in-display camera or water top notch. There is no sign of a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, and it is safe to assume that V17 Pro will have an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Vivo V17 Pro will possibly be priced at $420, approximately 30,000 rupees.